Well, this will pretty much be the last video on the Mowett Mustang. If you haven't seen the other two before, it's when we first got it. Started ripping it down, cleaning it up. So go check those two out. But this video is just us reassembling it after paint, cleaning it up, cleaning the engine up. My son wanted to record it, so here we are. We had some camera issues, so we're using a 10-year-old camera. It doesn't work the best, but it gets the job done. So here we are, just dumping the oil out, putting the trans on, things like that. So pretty easy process. There's not much to this little tractor. I'll go through and explain kind of how the little clutch works and what we did to make it better. And we also added the brakes. If you've seen in the last video, it makes it really nice. And then there toward the end, we go outside and test it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Seeing this part here, my little jerry-rigged, I guess, chain tightener. I just used a piece of baling wire with some pliers here. They actually have a tool for this I've used on like wireline trucks. It actually has two claws on it. It'll bring the chain together. I didn't really have any more adjustment in the axle or the transmission to make this work, so this worked just fine. What do you think of that? You want to try to drive it today?
No, it's not even finished, but we do have this on.
We got to put a spring on that.
Yeah, and this is...
Uh-oh.
What?
I can't find these bolts. I guess they're different. Alright, we got our engine on. We did some things differently this time. Last time we shimmed the engine up. We'll see if our belt pulleys line up. These are actually off a compressor. I think this is a 31-inch belt. And the problem with this belt is that when Rhett would drive this, it would still try to idle along. So we need to probably try to find something different. But we'll see how this lines up. See this one here, that might work, bud.
I think we'll do.
See how it
pretty
still
good.
wants to move the transmission though?
Yeah.
We can't have that.
Yeah, but let's see if it can work out.
You think it'll work out?
Well, if it doesn't work out, then we're gonna have to try a different thing.
What we gotta do is make a spring that comes back to here and kind of mount somewhere, maybe to this brake linkage. I need to tighten those up. So that way it holds this clutch pedal back. And that's gonna be pretty much it. As far as the mechanical part of this thing's pretty much ready. All right, so we got our spring here. And I know it's not the nicest setup, but go ahead and hit that pedal, Rhett. Now it comes back.
Well, there it is! The full tractor!
Alright, hang on. Yeah, we put too much oil on it, maybe.
Well, I guess it's gonna run.
Show us burn a little oil. Well, that pretty much wraps her up for this video. Like I said, we gotta throw stickers on it, the electric start, and then I'll put a remote kill switch on it at some point. So if Rhett's friends are driving it, I can shut it off. They're about to hit something. So we got some tweaking to do on the clutch. Maybe put a different size belt on it. Other than that, it does pretty well. So we appreciate you guys watching. I know the video quality wasn't the best. My camera, my GoPro kind of crapped out. So we'll catch you on the next one.